Good morning, one and all. This is the video about Know Your Paper of Computer Forensic Science, guided by Dr. S.B. Kishore sir. These are the contents which I am going to discuss in this video. This is the general syllabus of Computer Forensic Science, which is followed by many universities. These are some outlines of this paper. Computer forensic is the process to perform a structured investigation while maintaining documented evidence. In this paper, we'll get the introduction about various cybercrime and their types. We will learn about cryptography. We'll learn the standards for data encryption and algorithm. We'll learn about the process of authentication. Next, we'll learn about biometrics and the types of that. It will introduce the cyber laws which are formed to punish people who perform any illegal activities online. At the end, we're going to learn IT Act 2000. The objectives or importance of paper to develop capabilities to detect, mitigate, and investigate cybercrime, respond to, resolve, and recover from cyber incidents and attack through timely information sharing, collaboration, and action, to learn a legal and regulatory framework to enable a safe and vibrant cyberspace, to foster a culture of cybersecurity that promotes safe and appropriate use of cyberspace, to develop and cultivate national cyber security capabilities, to learn how to make privacy or secrecy of information. Applications of paper. First is authentication and digital signatures. So authentication is any process through which one proves and verifies certain information. Next one is timestamping. So timestamping is a technique that can certify that a certain electronic document or communication existed or was delivered at a certain time. Next one is electronic money. The definition of electronic money, also called as electronic cash or digital cash, is term that is still evolving. Next one is encryption and decryption in email. Email encryption is a method of securing the content of mails from anyone outside of the mail conversation looking to obtain a participant's information. Next one is encryption in social media. WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. use different cryptography algorithms to encrypt the messages or data. Then SIM card authentication. So authenticate to decide whether or not the SIM may access the network. The SIM needs to be authenticated. These are the reference books which you can follow for study this subject. Thank you.